Hello guys, in this tutorial I will talk about exceptions. Exceptions are extremely important part of programming and debugging, and handling them properly is extremely crucial. Exceptions are the problem or errors that occurs during the runtime of the program due to various reasons. In this tutorial I will not go into the theory and I will directly jump to the practical part of exception handling. In this tutorial I will try to handle an exception which is division of a number by 0. So let's start. Int number is equal to 10 divided by 0. I will run the program and check out the result. You can see it is giving arithmetic exception, division by 0. And how to handle exception? Include whatever the line is giving the exception, it will be going to give the exception inside try. And what to do when an exception occurs. Catch exception E. Do whatever you suppose is the proper action. Here I am just going to print out something like this. Out.println. You are dividing a number by 0. Please have another denominator. And I will run the program. You can see it is printing what we wanted. You can see spelling of denominator is not correct, but whatever. This is all for now, and hope you like this tutorial, and please subscribe my channel.